Hello and welcome back to my channel HIL tutorial. In this video today I am going to discuss about why we need simulation. Okay, so this is a very important and a general questions among the students and the engineers. Those are very new in this understanding. So in this video I am going to tell you about these things. So of course each and everybody we have an idea. Okay, so whenever you have some idea, we start thinking how to solve some problem. Okay, that means you have some logic inside your mind, but that logic cannot work until and unless your idea could not interact with the real world. Okay, so in order to interact your idea with the real world, we require to implement your idea either in mathematical equations or you have to make the physical system which is implementing your idea. So this is two ways to implement your idea or so cause your idea to the physical world. Okay, otherwise your idea cannot be acceptable by any person. But there is problem. Okay, if you can't implement your idea in terms of mathematics, then you have to implement in terms of physical system. But you know, the physical system implementation is very hazardous as well as expensive, and there will be difficulty while you are demonstrating your idea. Okay, so there is a need. Okay, there is a need to interact your idea with a physical system. So there should be something which can interconnect your idea with the real world. So this actually makes the need of simulator. So we will define what is the definition of simulation. So simulation is a virtual representation of a process or concept. Simulation can be interactive, requiring user input. Okay, and it will give some output. So in simulation, you can easily implement your idea with the help of logical rules, equations, mathematical equations, okay, and etc. You will be using inside the simulator, because simulator will provide some sort of blocks, mathematical equations, okay, and easily you will be able to implement your idea. And inside this simulation you can give some inputs, you can change the idea logic, and easily you can satisfy yourself that your idea is producing the result which can be acceptable by the people. Okay, so this is the simulation environment. Okay, so there are many types of simulation environment. Okay, so first thing, what is the need, right? Now, so you understood why we need simulation, and the major thing is that it helps us to interact simulated model with the real world. Okay, so if once you able to simulate your idea, okay, in a simulation environment, then it is very easier to interact your idea with the real world. And what I said, that if you will implement a physical system, that it could be hazardous and expensive. But if you will use simulation tools, then it will be very less expensive as well as non-hazardous. Great flexibility it will provide you. You can change many parameters. Many times you can hit and try and you can get your desired result. But that cannot be possible in a physical system. I'm not telling that exactly not possible, but there you have to pay a lots of money, and it could be hazardous also. Even it will take much time. So what are the types of simulation? So in the market, there are three types of simulation. First one is virtual simulation, that is also known as offline simulation. Then real-time simulation and hardware in the loop simulation. Virtual simulation, in this simulation we will get one environment where there will be a library. From the library we can drag and drop the components. Mainly all these library components will be based on mathematical equations, and with the help of library blocks you can implement your logical idea or any type of idea. Okay, so the benefit of this virtual HIL simulation is that it is non-interactive environment. Means easily you cannot connect your virtual HIL simulation with the real world. Okay, that's why I'm telling non-interactive. It is highly flexible, means easier to implement your idea. User environment. The example is very well known, MATLAB Simulink. Real-time simulation. Real-time simulation is very important in order to interact your idea with the physical world. In this simulation environment, you will be able to provide the physical data, the real-time data within your idea. And whatever the result you will get from your idea, that can be easily interconnected with the real world. So real-time simulation is very important in order to make your idea visible to the physical world. The examples are Typhoon Hill, Popolati, and many more. HIL simulation. The HIL simulation is highly depends on real-time simulation. Here we have to adapt two things. Okay, your idea will be in the form of product, and it will be interacted with the real-time simulator. That's why it is highly interactive, flexible. Okay, but comparatively it is a less easier environment and complex operation, because your idea is now looks like a product and you have to interact it with the real world. So the system, the environment which will help you to do all these things, that is HIL simulation. Again, the example is Typhoon Hill, Popolati, TIC 2000. Okay, with the help of embedded systems like microcontroller, all this type of things will come into the picture and it will make HIL simulation. So hope this discussion will be helpful for your understanding about HIL simulation. Virtual HIL simulation means virtual simulation, real-time simulation. Thank you for watching my video.